Turn on the light. I'm looking for her. I'm looking for her. I'm looking for her. Turn on the light. I'm looking for her. I'm looking for her. I'm looking for her. Turn on the light. I'm looking for her. I'm looking for her. Is that her in the VIP line with the Vuitton and Yves Saint Laurent? Used to drive the Nissan, now she in a Beamer. I don't want her, she's from the corner, and I heard that Beamer was a loner. Oh man, up on her, and don't even drink Coronas. What type of drink you want, girl? No champagne forever, I'm dirty Sprite forever. You can come sit with me if you like to change the weather. If you wanna live better, we can buy a crib wherever. Don't get too thirsty, get used to this chatter. I wanna tell the world about you just so they can get jealous. And if you see her for, I do tell her I wish that I met her. I heard she keep her promises and never turn on you. I heard she ain't gon' cheat and she gon' never make no move. I heard she'd be there anytime you need her, she'd come through. Turn on the lights, I'm looking for her. I'm looking for her. I'm looking for her.
Look, I ain't really into flashing, I feel like an accident, I'm never chose. They be talking voice of passion, I feel like it's corny if you ain't on code. Niggas be on my dick for nothing, I be like, what happened to these niggas, bro? Like niggas be really going through, but there's a better way to let the people know. People say I'm never present, I ain't messy, I'm just focused on my goals. Cause either on or off the drugs, my energy is Tony Potter in his nose. And either on or off the drugs, my energy is Dawn Magic with the hoes. Cause I've been boxing with the drugs, I got a good chin like James Tone. Niggas be putting your boy in a box, they be acting like cops, I can never be phony. She be acting like a thought, I hope it's all like act, she deserves a tone. Neither on or off the drugs, K-hole or buzz, I can out of tone. Cause either on or off the drugs, a voice plays in my ear like I'm a hoe. The first one was good with the beats, the second one put me up in the deep, the third one was sick, no disease, the fourth I had to rush it to complete. I don't have no basis, not a secret. Ain't no happy house, we taking beatings. The streets in my mind is filled with demons. That's why I be eating these bitches like Sarah and Tegan. Cause distractions hitting every season. These niggas just rob no reason. It's not just a facade that I can see, or standing up for guys I don't believe. I'm Michael Jackson dancing in the mirror. The only one who can see me is me. The only one who can't be me is me. Warriors, I'm CP3. When I see you, it's TTG. Fuck 'em, we don't take EBT. No C notes, 100K tweets. Gotta pray my son will be this week. Gotta pray my daughter will be this week. Fuck.
Turn on the light.
Some of you niggas be talking right out of the side of your neck, and I can't believe that to be gas in these little hoes. Some of you niggas be sitting around all day hating on niggas they never met. I just feel sad for you, little bro. Baby, you know when I'm wildin' out, I make a mess. I keep the cannon like Nick, put my bitch in the vest. What did that last one contribute but pussy and stress? Nothing.
Turn on the light. I'm looking for her.